Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sayyid Muhammad Rehanul Hassan Gilani. I am from Attock City, a swords hand of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. According to my limited information, Pakistan is the only democratic state in the world after the state of Medina, which is based on Manai Harfi approach. As a national slogan is Pakistan का मतलब क्या La ilaha illallah. The meaning of Pakistan is La ilaha illallah. I've done my MPhil from University of Lahore. Before I graduated from Darse-e-Nizami, a classical traditional education system in subcontinent. Later, I honored in Arabic language and literature. The summer school. I consider it the most important summer school of my academic life. These courses explain how to read and learn our traditional sciences and knowledge from a new angle, a totally different dimension with Manai Harfi approach. I think it's probably the only solution for Muslim intelligentsia to confront the secular worldview. Yes, I learned a lot in these courses. A Manai Harfi approach, a lateral view, takes you into a unique universe of beauty where there are melodious songs of oneness. The birds and beasts recite the glorification of Subhana Rabbi al-Ala and Subhana Rabbi al-Azim. Waterfalls sing monotheistic songs. Clouds shower the blessings, and plants scatter the colors of oneness on the face of earth. Both the teachers are great. Dr. Alparslan Achib Genj, I always feel a huge respect for him in my heart. It's an honor for me to learn from such a nice teacher. He teaches us so efficiently in scholarly and smooth manner, while Dr. Nijati has a unique approach and methodology. The way he teaches us is dangerously different. He raises questions that all the pillars of your thoughts will be swept away in the storm of his questions, and you will keep thinking about how these have exploded. I want to mention some colleagues from the course whom questions are really a source of knowledge for me. Amin, a little brother, is a platonic companion of the course. Aziz Akaya, Kant, creates skepticism, asks complex questions like Bermuda. Amr, a blessed one with knowledge angel, always asks such a good questions, increases the knowledge and shows the different point of view. Kohn asks untouched and engaging questions, while Saifuddin takes a long intellectual review. Think of it as a beautiful galaxy, or he says in Persian, Hume Khane Aftab ast. Indeed, those who did not join the course have missed the chance that could have been changed their entire life. I think it's important for every student. Finally, congratulations to all the team of this course. I am very thankful to all of them for making me a part of this sacred beauty and letting me in. I will stick with what I have learned from the course, and I will add my share into it, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa